Hello, this is Henry, and I would like to share my trades from today. First up, we have WW. WW I observed putting in a level in the pre-market here at 24.20, here at 4, and here at 5. I take a position here at the 10 o'clock candle for a breakout of that level, and we'll come down to the 15-minute chart. And I take an entry here, split entry with an average of 24.42, and my stop up here at 24.47, which was about 1.5 cents above this 10.30 entry candle here. Sell off a little bit, consolidate here in this 10.45 candle, and we can see here that it tests this non-EMA, which coincided, this is the non-EMA here on the 15 minute, which coincided with my stop loss. I exited as it popped through and shook out here whoever was using this non-EMA as resistance here, and then begins to sell off here on decent volume here at this 11 a.m. candle. Quite a bit of consolidation here between 11:15 and 1:45 before some more volume comes in and sells off for the final leg before reversing. Next up, we have MCHP. MCHP I saw setting up on the 30 minute, putting in a level here at 97.50. There we go. Back here in post-market yesterday, with it being down around 7 or 8% at the time, I thought it had a chance to possibly take a leg lower down to this 97.50 level and possibly below. Like the fact that I was seeing lower highs as it was going through the pre-market and into the market open here. This volume point of control here was controlling on the 15 minute. So I used that as my technical stop, and we'll see on the 15 minute what I was seeing at the time of entry, and was going for the break of this potential ABCD pattern here. This volume point of control held for support, and it actually reversed. I stopped out here at my stop out. And last up, we have UPWK. UPWK I observed setting up on the 30 minute, putting in a level here at 15.80. Here at 7 a.m., at 8 a.m., and again here at 9 a.m. Quite a bit of indecision here at 9:30 with this long-legged doji. Another smaller doji here at 10, puts in what looks like to be a double top, and then starts to sell off a little bit here in this 10:30 candle. We'll come down to the 15 minute, and we'll see I take an entry here at 15.81 with the stop at 15.91. Take partials here at 61, and then all the way down 51, 41, 31, 21, all the way down here 01. And this last partial coincides with this 200 SMA here on the 30 minute. What I was observing was increasing volume here on the 30 minute, also increasing volume here on the 15 minute, which registered to me as potential stopping volume. We'll see here on the 15 minute, here in this 11:45 candle, it pulls back on low volume. So I take an add here at this 2-day ago low. As it sells back off, I take another add here at 15.14. There was a level of resistance in here somewhere between 15.20 and 15.15. So as it broke through that, I added to see if we're going to make another leg down or if it would continue to reverse. And we'll see here in this 12 o'clock candle, it found this volume point of control here on the 15 minute as sufficient support, or at least for the time, and started to reverse and trend higher. I took my exit here at 15.22 here. But those are my trades for today. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.